Hey everybody, Ron from CampFire Grub, and today we're out here at beautiful Citrus Wildlife Management Area, and we're going to cook up a really good meal for you tonight. So stay tuned to see what we make. First things first, we're back over here at camp now, and we have our hardwood lump charcoal over here in our charcoal chimney. We're going to go ahead and add the charcoal to charcoal chimney, light it up, and start getting our coals ready to go to start cooking. Some of you might be wondering what the difference is between regular charcoal and lump coal. I like lump coal because it burns a little bit hotter, also cleaner, and the only ingredient in here is actually just wood. There's no extra added chemicals. This is what the pieces look like, just straight up wood. It burns perfectly, and it also gets a little bit less of that burned on gunk on your cast iron pans. So here are our meats that we're going to be using tonight. We have some pork, we have some chicken, we have some beef, and we're going to go ahead and season up our pork shoulder and go ahead and throw it on the fire first. So here are our meats. They're all seasoned up, ready to throw on the fire. Pork, chicken, beef. We're going to go ahead and throw a little bit of some tin foil over across the top. Now what would some fajitas be without some fajita vegetables? So now we're going to go ahead and chop our onion. Now who doesn't love fresh corn on the fire when you're camping? Just to give everybody a quick update about what we have going on now, we actually pulled the beef off. The beef was done, ready to be pulled off, and that also made room to add the corn. Chicken is still on, pork is still cooking, of course. Then we have this little grill grate right here for the fajita vegetables. Sorry if the camera's shaking. There's actually a little puppy playing next to the camera. Here's a slightly better view of Bear not being held over the fire. And there he is. He's a sweet little German Shepherd. He is actually Matthew's new puppy. And now he's going to knock over the camera. Quick little tip here. Everybody loves these little tortillas whenever we're making these little street tacos. And they like them warmed up. You can sit there and you can warm up each one in a pan real quick. Or you can just take you some foil. Wrap them up in some foil as such. And just rest it on the campfire for 2 minutes or so. Get them kind of warm. Quick and easy way to warm up a bunch of little tortillas. So here's some of our finished products. The table might look a little bit like a mess, but we've had some off and on rain pop right in and out, and we're just trying to shoot some video real quick before the rain starts up back again. So here's some of our corn. Here are our vegetables that we cooked up. We have our chicken, pork, and steak. Over here we have some rice. Then we have our warmed up tortillas, all ready to go. The camera's shaking because of Bear, the little puppy, is kicking the camera. And there you have it. I will show you in a few moments the finished one. Now, this is going to be our last couple seconds of a shot now because the rain just started. But here is the finished little taco right there. Would you look at that? Absolutely yummy. Thanks everybody for watching. That was actually a very good meal last night with those street tacos. They came out perfect. The pork, the chicken, and the beef. As you can see, we're actually filming the next day. The weather was pretty bad, so we couldn't actually film then. And then in the morning, when we were actually still at Citrus, I was going to film then. But then we had some vehicle issues and a few other little problems we had to work out. So I pulled over here real quick on the way home in the Ocala National Forest, just to give you all this little rundown about what happened. Don't forget to follow along on Instagram at CampFire Grub, also on our Facebook page, CampFire Grub. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and there'll be many more to come.